thank organizers for inviting me as President of SOMI Maharashtra chapter for this web seminar to celebrate International Day of Midwife 2021. I congratulate Dr. Shubhalan sir, Principal, Dr. Sujata Sawant Madam, Consultant and Advisor, and Teaching Faculty Con, PIMS deemed to be University, Loni, District Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. International Confederation of Midwife is proud to celebrate this year's International Day of Midwife on 5th May 2021 under the theme of Follow the Data, Invest in Midwives. We look forward to coming together as a global midwife community to advocate for investment in quality midwifery care around the world, improving sexual, reproductive, maternal, newborn, child and adolescent health in the process. This year's theme is timely because IDM will coincide with the launch of the 2021 State of the World's Midwifery Report and update evidence-based information and details 2021 from UNFPA, WHO and ICM on the impact of midwives on maternal and newborn health outcomes and the region on investment in midwives. ICM will continue its efforts to center midwives fundamental to improving quality maternal and newborn care, ending preventable maternal and newborn deaths, and achieving SDG 3.1 to reduce global maternal mortality 70 per 1 lakh live births by 2030. To reach the global standards, we have to think local health problems and their solutions. And that's how PIMS College of Nursing has rightly chosen direction under the theme The Future of Midwifery Practice in India. I wish grand success in deliberations of today's web seminar. I wish all midwives very happy International Day of Midwives 2021. We cannot forget our COVID warriors, to whom we have lost during COVID-19 pandemic. I salute them and pay them tribute. Thank you.
Dear colleagues and fellow midwives, warm greetings to you from SOMI Maharashtra chapter. On behalf of SOMI Maharashtra, I wish you all a very happy International Day of the Midwives. This year has been a tough year for all of us. Despite all odds, you have been doing a fabulous job of caring for mothers and their little ones. The theme for this year's International Day of the Midwives is Follow the Data, Invest in Midwives, a very apt theme promoting evidence-based midwifery practice. As Chapter Secretary of SOMI Maharashtra, I urge you all to continue caring for the mothers and babies with the same zest and zeal as before, and also salute all the midwives who have laid down their lives in the line of their duty. The best tribute to these nurses would be to continue the good work they have been doing. SOMI is always available to provide personal and professional assistance to all the midwives whenever needed. So do contact us if you need any assistance from us. Once again, a very happy International Day of the Midwives. Thank you.
Namaste everyone. As we come into this world, the first person whom you see or the first person who see you or hold you is the midwife or the doctor who conducts your delivery, even before your own mother could see you or hold you. I was fortunate enough to conduct hundreds of deliveries in the confines of armed forces hospitals, which are well established, to those that had to be conducted on road or home. But it was more tough, risky, but a memorable journey of teaching those secrets of labor room process to those young students by following a diligent practical protocol that ensured that every mother and newborn is safe. आज बहुत सारे जो मिडवाइफ्स हैं जो साइलेंटली लेबर रूम में काम करते हैं, उन सबको मेरा सलाम, क्योंकि आप जो है जो भगवान की क्रिएशन को जीवित करते हैं. तो हैप्पी मिडवाइफरी डे टू ऑल दोस मिडवाइफ्स ओवर देयर.
Greetings to all. Today, 5th May, the International Midwives Day. We celebrate it globally since 1991 to appreciate, motivate, and recognize the work of midwives. The midwives, they are the care provider to the childbearing woman in their pregnancy, labor, and postpartum period. Due to the coronavirus pandemic, the risk of the midwives and scope of the midwives has been increased to protect their self and their families and child and mothers. For maternal and child health services, the SOMI, that is Society of Midwife of India, has the greater and major contribution and investment to prepare, to educate, and to update mobilization the midwifery services in the country. I congratulate the team of SOMI for their greater work. I also wish the best for all midwives to keep going and for their good health. Thank you.
सर्व मिडवाईफ यांना माझा सलाम. जे बायका गरोदर आहेत किंवा ज्यांची डिलिव्हरी होणार आहे त्यांना ह्या करोनाच्या परिस्थितीमध्ये कसे सामोरं जावं लागत असेल हे मी नक्कीच समजू शकते, कारण माझी आत्ता नुकतीच डिलिव्हरी झालेली आहे. त्यांचे हे काम अनमोल आहे. त्या सर्वांना माझा कोटी कोटी सलाम.
Is a profession where the nurses and the midwives, they provide care to the women, those who are pregnant, during labor, then postnatal period, as well as neonatal care they also provide. Then the midwives, during pandemic also, they have provided comprehensive care to those who are in the labor. In the tribal area also, they are providing care in the home. So the vital role of midwifery should understand all the nurses, and they need to provide comprehensive care to those who are needy. Happy International Midwives Day.
Dear midwives, you are changing the world and we love you for it. Happy International Midwifery Day.
मी वंदना सचिन पानसरे प्रवरा रुरल हॉस्पिटलमध्ये गेल्या 4 वर्षापासून ANM म्हणून लेबर रूममध्ये कार्यरत आहे. आज 5/5/2020 रोजी मिडवायफरी दिनानिमित्त माझे गुलाबाचे फूल देऊन मेट्रन मॅडम यांनी सत्कार केला. तर त्या एक प्रकारचे आमच्या कामाचे प्रोत्साहन वाढवले असेच म्हणता येईल. या निमित्त मी एक सांगू इच्छिते की कोरोनाच्या काळात देखील आमच्या हॉस्पिटलमध्ये म्हणजेच प्रवरा रुरल हॉस्पिटलमध्ये साधारणतः दररोज 20 ते 25 डिलिव्हरी होतात. अशा वेळी आम्ही योग्य त्यारित्या बाळाची आई, नातेवाईक तसेच स्वतःची पुरेपूर काळजी घेऊन मनात कसलीही भीती न बाळगता आम्ही सेवेसाठी कार्यरत असतो. त्याचप्रमाणे आमच्या वरिष्ठ अधिकाऱ्यांचे, प्रशासनाचे आम्हाला वेळोवेळी मार्गदर्शन मिळते. त्यामुळे आमचा मनाचा उत्साह म्हणून आम्ही तितक्याच उत्साहाने पेशंट, नातेवाईक यांच्या सेवेसाठी सदैव तत्पर असतो.
Midwife, changing the world, one family at a time. We celebrate Happy International Midwife Day.
Keep calm and call midwife. Happy International Midwife Day.
माझे नाव प्रियंका सागर लाड. गेल्या 1 महिन्यापासून प्रवरा ग्रामीण रुग्णालयात मी ॲडमिट आहे. माझे बाळाचे वजन कमी असल्यामुळे मला इथे जास्त दिवस राहावे लागले. कोरोनाच्या या काळामध्ये मला फार भीती होती. माझे व माझ्या बाळाचे कसे होणार या हॉस्पिटलमध्ये मला डॉक्टरांनी व नर्सेसनी खूप साथ दिली. ज्या नर्सेसनी आपण सिस्टर म्हणतो त्यांनी खरोखर बहिणीसारखे प्रमाणेच मला खूप काळजी घेतली व आधार दिला. याबद्दल धन्यवाद.
Devastating pandemic, midwives work 24/7. This is a tribute to all midwives in the world. Happy International Midwives Day.
A midwife must possess the hands of a lady, the eyes of a hawk, and the heart of a lion.
Happy International Midwife Day 2021.
All over the world, midwives rocks. Happy International Midwifery Day 2021.
Happy International Midwives Day.
Happy International Midwife Days.
More beautiful than bringing a new life into the world. Happy International Midwifery Day 2021.
Happy International Midwife Day.
Hi everyone, I am Ms. Priya. I am very proud to tell you that I am the student of Praura Institute of Medical Sciences, College of Nursing. On 5th May, we all over the world celebrate International Midwives Day. So, I wish you all happy International Midwives Day. Stay home, stay safe and get vaccinated.
Privilege to a human life is to become a midwife, to awakening a soul in another person. Happy International Midwives Day.
Everyone, myself Mrs. Pratiksha Bhosle, alumni of Praura Institute of Medical Sciences, College of Nursing, Loni. I recently delivered in Praura Rural Hospital in labor room, and it was normal delivery. It was such a great experience. The way they cared me was excellent, and really midwives are our hero. Midwives are our marshals, and I would like to say thanks to all. And on the occasion of International Midwives Day 2021, I wish you all a happy International Midwives Day. And thanks to Praura Institute of Medical Sciences, especially College of Nursing, for organizing and celebrating this event. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.
Midwife is motivator, supporter, educator, expert, teacher, friends, protector. Happy International Midwife Day 2021.
What could be a more beautiful than bringing a new life into the world? So keep calm, call midwife, and happy International Midwives Day.
Time to appreciate midwives from local health center on this day.
Theme 2021.
Follow the
Data. Invest in midwives.
Happy International Midwives Day.